Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area and marking the fabric for accurate transfer. Lay the pattern flat, smoothing wrinkles, and secure it with pins so it won't shift. Once done, position the tracing wheel at about a 45 degrees angle and roll with steady, medium pressure to make consistent perforations. You want enough indent to follow later, but not so deep you cut fibers. Make sure to keep your wrist relaxed. This improves control and prevents jagged lines. You now trace carefully along the pattern lines, working methodically so every seam and notch is captured. Begin at a reference point and move slowly, pausing on curves and corners to maintain accuracy. If fabric is dark, slip carbon paper underneath. For multiple layers, trace once then flip and retrace. Once you notice faint marks, re-roll that section with slightly more pressure. Make sure to inspect the whole transfer before removing pins so you finish by lifting the pattern and checking your work for completeness. If some perforations are faint, reinforce them with tailor's chalk or a fabric pen along the traced path so your stitching guide is clear. If holes are too small to see, use tiny scissors to open them carefully rather than tearing fabric. If transfer marks smudge, you can set them with a low-heat iron. Test on a scrap first to avoid staining. This ensures clean, accurate guides for cutting and sewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.